Okay, people. So for this video, I'll teach you guys something awesome, yo. I'll teach you guys how to purr, yes? So, the first step is to make a tune like this.
Or even,
Uh, it doesn't matter, yo. The next thing you do is to close your mouth and go, or it doesn't matter what tune, yes? And the next thing you gotta do is you gotta then lower your uvula, that thing at the back of your throat, into your vocal cords, and you can make that sound, but with that thing going down, yo. So then it sounds like this. And the pointer is at the back of the throat. That's where the sound works, and the thing that dangles down in the roof of your mouth, yo. You gotta sink that into your vocal cords, yo. So it goes like, and that is all, people.